I don't understand, man. If you don't got the solution for somebody and you know you're not gonna freaking, execute what you say you're gonna do for them, don't come and mess up people's parts, man. Look what these people did. Not only did they come and drilled a hole in their handle, right? But they just left a mess of broken bits, metal shavings. What happened to, like, this is unacceptable to me, man. Very unacceptable. So now we're gonna try and open this door for the customer since it's locked. We gotta figure out how do we unlatch it.